Hi there, students. A maxim. Okay, a maxim is like a proverbial saying. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. That's a maxim. Marry in haste, repent at leisure. That's another maxim. So it's a general truth, a fundamental principle, a rule of conduct. Yeah, that's our maxim. An axiom. Yeah, a pithy expression to explain a rule, an observation, a moral teaching, a precept. Yeah, that word, we had a precept the other day. Okay, so it's a way to say, yeah, effectively a saying. Yeah, so there are lots and lots of maxims. Motto, if you like. So what maxims do you live by? I think don't try and hurt anybody else. Yeah. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I believe in that maxim very definitely. Like a product. Yeah. A motto. Yeah. A byword and a saying, a way of doing things. He who hesitates is lost. That's a very common maxim. It's a general truth or a rule giving you a guide to sensible behaviour or good behaviour or the right thing to do. It's like a short statement of a general truth or a general principle or a general rule. Yeah? So let's see, yeah, do right and risk the consequences. That to me sounds like a good maxim. Although I think we shouldn't let maxims become dogmatic. Let's see, I think this word is probably less used nowadays than it used to be in the past. People might use the word a saying or a proverb. So how formal is it? I think I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10 because maybe it's ever so slightly old-fashioned. But I think you could use it in an informal conversation if you wanted to. While I was thinking about this video, I found a really good phrase describing a film. It said the main actor in this film doesn't speak too much, as the film's maxim is leave no bullet unfired. So they're just shooting at each other the whole way through the movie. I quite like that use of a maxim. And then what about the origin? Well, this I think comes from maxima in Latin, which is actually an idiom. Yeah, or an axiom. Maxima, axiom. Probably it comes from propositio maxima, the greatest premise or the greatest precept. Yeah. So yeah, effectively it comes from the Latin of the feminine of the Latin word maximus. I think the most important thing is the idea of it, which then gives us this idea of a maxim or a proverb or something like that. So what are your favourite maxims? You could put them in the comments section for me. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A maxim.